Yo guys, MTK here, just got my parcel. This came in 2 days after I ordered it. Vans, fast shipping. Let's see what we have inside the box. See, that. Got the shoes right there. Whoa. Here we can see the quality of the leather, and this is pretty good. They haven't done the laces. I have to do that myself. And let's see what the shoe looks like from the inside. Right here we've got our size. And some paper on the inside. And the laces, which I'll have to do. So obviously this shoe is gonna be comfortable because they are Vans. Guys, I don't know how to do the laces. I had to go get my sister's shoes to see how the laces are done on Vans, because I used to have Vans and I haven't bought Vans for over 3 years. So now let's get the laces done. Alright guys, now done lacing both of them, and what I like to do is keep the laces inside because I usually don't tie my laces and I prefer them that way. And zip, let's see if it works. Does it work? Oh, the zip does work. It moves to the side. That's good. I'm gonna get new Gucci socks to match with these shoes, but the ones I already have match the shoes. Look, blue and red, blue and red. So let's see what these look like with the shoes on feet. Let's go. Yo guys, so now I'm pairing this up with black denim, and I'm wearing this shirt because the red and the red and the blue match the red and the blue on the shoes. So come have a closer look. And so this is what the shoes look like with your pants normal. Now let me just fold my jeans. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the outfit looks like. Everything is matching. One look. Blue, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Got all that matching. Come here, have a closer look. White, white, black, black, white, white shirt. Everything is matching. Alright guys, so now these shoes, blue jeans, same white shirt on top again, and now the jeans haven't been folded, just like this. I don't wanna dead no beat. I don't wanna sort it out. I don't wanna hear no words. I don't wanna talk it out. I don't wanna dead no beat. I don't wanna sort it out. I don't wanna hear no words. I don't wanna talk it out. I don't wanna talk about the ins and outs. Thanks for watching the videos guys. Leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Any questions, ask them in the comments. MTK.